Today I want to get the price and volume of the stock from the Yahoo Finance, and this is the recent price and recent value from the Yahoo Finance. So first of all, we need to import Yahoo Finance, and after that we need to define our ticker. We want to get the ticker data from the Yahoo Finance. Okay, and the history for this ticker. And for the history, we said okay, stock or ticker name, history, and or period. For the period of the history is 1 day, is enough. 1 day is enough for us, and now we want to print. This is the recent price. And our history. For the history, close price and the latest one. This is our recent price, $169, and in the Apple you see it $169. And for the volume is print recent volume, and we got it from our history, volume data, and the latest data. Okay, this is our recent volume. Thank you for watching me. Have a good day.